Today's learning is English grammar, phrasal verbs, clothing. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are two or more words that together act as a completely new verb with a meaning separate from those of the original words. Let's see a few examples. Try on means to put on a piece of clothing to see if it fits you or if you like how it looks on you. Ella wanted to try on both the dresses. Put on means to dress oneself in clothes. He put on his clothes before going to bed. Take off means remove any item of clothing. She took off her jacket after reaching home. Dress up means to change your appearance by wearing special clothes. She dressed up for a birthday party. Hang out means dry clothes outside after washing. John said, I have got one or two shirts to hang out. Wrap up means put warm clothes on. Sally wrapped up warmly before going out on a cold winter day. Let out means to make your clothes wider. He asked his mother to let out his old jacket as it was too tight. Take in means to mend your clothes so that they become smaller. I had a tailor take in my dress after I lost weight. Get into means to be able to put on a piece of clothing. I lost my weight so I can get into my old jacket. Hang up means put something on a hook or a hanger. She wanted to hang her jacket in her closet. Do up means fasten an item of clothing. You don't need to do up the top button. Let's have a recap. Try on means to put on a piece of clothing to see if it fits you or if you like how it looks on you. Put on means to dress oneself in clothes. Take off means remove any item of clothing. Dress up means to change your appearance by wearing special clothes. Hang out means dry clothes outside after washing. Wrap up means put warm clothes on. Let out means to make your clothes wider. Take in means to mend your clothes so that they become smaller. Get into means to be able to put on a piece of clothing. Hang up means put something on a hook or a hanger.
The information was very useful.
Thank you so much.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.